Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Marine Cards. ncteacher. We'll do box of Victory Lane. This was box 3 from the stack. Good luck, man. May I don't know who you were looking for in this be with you. Bubba. Silver. Ward Burton, and out of 99, Kurt Busch. Engineered to Perfection, Martin Truex Jr. out of 399. Out of 25, Pedal to the Metal, Justin Allgaier. Not numbered, Danica, and triple, Ty Dillon out of 399. Welcome to the LeBron era, guys. LeBron, L.A. Braun. L.A. Braun. Red out of 49, Bill Elliott, and on-card autograph of Martin Truex Jr. 32 of 37. We have a gold, 78 of 99, past winners, Dale Jarrett. Jamie McMurray, and our on-card is Cole Roos. Out of 275. Cole Roos. All right, Sean, let me get that for you. All right, let's start with your silver. Okay, do you want your silver pack opened or shipped? Someone just called. Left a message. I don't know what it was. I was listening. 1 through 19, I believe. Can you listen to it? Yeah, I'm listening to the phone. Or 17. 1 through 17 on the silver pack. 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1 through 19 on your hitbox and 1 through 19 on the number pack too, Sean. So we're open the silver. Messi and 99. 99, yep. Melvin Gordon. I scored touchdowns. Melvin Gordon.
Also you and Nick. Discussing memorabilia to purpose.
My number 760. Saturday 4:36. Sunday. Thursday 2:0. Friday 2. Saturday 7:47 p.m. Hi, this message is for Jeff. This is Nick Egner. You can reach me at 760. 7612. We want to discuss with you possible purchasing a couple memorabilia items that I do have. So please take the call when you have a chance. Thank you. End of messages.
Just write down the number. I'll call him tomorrow. Alright, 5 on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This guy's gonna blow up this year. 26 of 50. Kyle Kuzmanator, cracked ice. Rookie cracked ice. And then you want 5 on the numbered packs as well? I don't know why those are in there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to get all the Calvin Ridley, Darius Geis, and Ronald Jones rookies. So those are... Ronald Jones was doing a lot better at the beginning of the season. It's those guys. This was packed before the ACL. But I will throw in... I got a Devers rookie. He should be good. Or Devers rookie refractor. I'll throw in with that. I think the Tatum one's still there. I'm not 100% sure. I'll get that all out. To you, Sean. Thanks again. Let me know if you want to do any more. I still got 6 left.